Hello. So, had a problem with my HP Reverb G2 V2. The V2 means that you have this bracket right here, and this is supposed to mount in between your face piece and the actual unit. And what that does is supposed to give you enough room so your glasses don't hit your lenses if you wear prescription glasses. Unfortunately, after only 3 months of use, my lenses started to get scratched on my VR, as well as my prescription glasses. I was really upset, right? Because there's a lot of money invested in both of those things. So I was on a couple of forums, and somebody suggested trying this, which is PolyWatch polish. Got it from Amazon. It came in a package, and it has just this little tube. It's really small, and in a bag with a polishing cloth. Instructions were to use a piece of cotton wool and put the polish on, and with medium pressure for about 2 minutes, and then polish and see what happens. I was like, well, I already scratched my lenses, so I'm figuring, what can I lose? This was like $6, $7 on Amazon. But I'm like, what is cotton wool? I couldn't think of anything that would be. And then it dawned on me that I could use a Q-tip. So basically what I did is I put a little dab of this on the head of this Q-tip. And then I started to polish my lenses in a circular motion where the scratches were. And basically I put a flex on the cotton swab, just enough pressure. And I did that 3 times, and sure enough, the scratches came out of my lenses. I'm like, I was super happy then at that point. This is great. So highly recommend that. And then the second thing I got to prevent that in the future from VROptician.com, I got prescription lenses for my VR setup. This one's custom made for the HP Reverb. They have several different headsets that they make these things for. So anyhow, I figured I was going to try it, and I did, and couldn't be happier. They come in these bags, so you know which one's your left one, which is your right one, and also, obviously, they snap on one way. All I have to do is line it up and snap them on, and then that's it. And then if you need to take them off for somebody using your headset, whatever, then they just pop off. But overall, very happy. Just wanted to pass that along. If you've scratched up your lenses on your headset, just give that a try, see if that'll help out. And again, I'm going to say a shout out to VROptician. I think it was like $69, $70 to get the prescription. Really easy to do. You just load your prescription in and they'll send it out to you. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have a great day.